Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Get away there. Anyway, I've been told to rotate my phone, so I might go and see if I can find Arthur Ritchie. They were combining earlier on there. The only thing, when I rotate my phone, I can't really use my gimbal. So I'll just watch a couple of rows, then I'm going to head away, see what's what elsewhere. George Rum is watching. Get all these bales in, George, I hope. Aye, we're just done at the combine there, so I've came away and just to see them baling before I head away home. I was going to use my other camera, but I decided just to use this instead. Can anyone tell me if it's the right way up or not? I prefer to film it the other way. You can probably see the geese just in the background there, possibly. There they are. 10 or 12 there. Good evening, Jean and Stuart Mug there. As I said, I'll just stay on for a couple of rows. Let you see the big baler. Hopefully it's coming back down this row. Probably the strow's not just ideal, but there's rain forecast again, and it's already been kicked out and rode up, so it's probably as good as it's going to get. If it's left, it'll get wet again, so there you go. Robert Bailey is watching. Hi Robert. There's quite a few geese going over there. You can just see them in the background there. Hi Charles again. I told Graham what you said. He said he'll buy you a drink the next time he sees you. That's okay. And Charles, is it the right way up this time? I'm actually having to hold the phone and on the gimbal, but it's not as steady as it would have been the other way. So here we have Ian coming with the MF 5455 that's showing up today for a baler. As I said, I'll just see Rodney coming back down here, then I'm going to head away. So it got quite windy again. It was okay when I was up at George Rum's this afternoon. At Niven Hill it was okay. I'm certainly closer to the sea now than what I was. That's a nice steady job for you, Charles. I'm sure you'd be able to do that without too much hassle. Possibly. I know the audio is not too good because I'm standing out in the middle of the field here. I'm not sure when this was combined. Probably Friday, I think. Thursday, Friday. In around there somewhere. So the sun did come out when I was down at the combine, but it's back in now again. And I'm just talking to a chap who was taking his cattle back to the field. They were belted Galloway bull there. And some very, very friendly dogs. So you can see some nice cattle in the background there, all different kinds, colours, whatever. And they've been, I think he's been reseeding just up near George Rum's there. That's George, and you can see the house and the sheds there. Then Niven Hill just to the left of it there. Oh dear, must have been a kiss of death to Rodney. He seems to be stopped. Whatever's happening. Anyway, what's going to happen in Emmerdale tonight? Is Lachlan going to shoot someone? I don't know. I'm going to miss it tonight. I'm hopefully going to the camera club. Just depends. Might be a wee bit late. Hopefully get there. Oh well. I'll give Rodney a minute. Well, it's probably not long enough to. He's maybe just checking the bales are okay, not too heavy or not too light or whatever. Ross Campbell is watching. Good evening, Ross. So, we're into September the 5th now. Everything looked to be going very well when we had all that nice sunshine, but not very big crops. Then we had 3 or 4 weeks of rain, and the harvest is getting behind now. Anyway, I think I'm going to call it a day and head away, see what else I can find. So for the moment, thanks for watching. Mark Bowron, hi Mark. I see you've had a very successful weekend at, is it Knockhill? Or somewhere anyway, just recently. Congratulations. Ali Cook, hi Ali. Haven't seen you for quite some time. There's a whole lot of soil being dumped in these fields just beyond here. Where it's came from or why it's here I don't know, but it's certainly there anyway. Anyway, it looks like the baler man's, oh no, he's coming now. I'll just stay on and let you get a close up of Rodney because he likes to be on. The only thing we rake in the straw, there's a lot of green there. So you sort of get the green in along with the straw. It probably doesn't help a lot. Here we are. A decent tractor for you to have a look at. Yeah, and Dougie Halliday is watching there. Rory Gray. I better stay in Rodney. We'll be most upset if I go looking elsewhere. So as far as I'm aware, this baler used to belong to Peter Cowan, the contractor, from Eastern Gate, Western Gate, whatever. A nice song from the Massey Ferguson. It's going to be a bit of waiting these. I'll get all the tractors in together possibly before I go. There we are. Anyway, that's it for the moment. Take care, catch you later, bye just now.